welcome back to 30 Days of Sketches, and today is March 7th. This is going to be a super sweet, fun little layout we're going to do. This is a great sketch to get a lot of photos. What is there? 6 photos on this page. This is great. I did a fun run with my little sister and my niece, and so I'm going to scrapbook those. I have a washi tape from Jeannie. She was so gracious and sent this to me. I did not have any washi tape that was red with white polka dots. And she's like, I have some. And she blessed me and sent this to me from Florida. I have some enamel dots, and then I have this super adorable Fern and Willard kit. It's bright and cherry, and oh, you guys, it's just so adorable. Here are the papers I'll be using. There's some. And then of course we always have the choices on the back as well. Back in a little bit and we'll see what I've created. This sketch was super easy. If you want something quick and easy and something to get 6 photos on, this is a great one, especially if you don't have very many embellishments to go with it. So I just let the paper do the talking for me. I'm gonna go ahead and just lay these photos out. I was gonna gut this this background paper here, and I decided not to just because I wanted the stability in it. I don't know if this is down far enough. Might go just a hair bit more. I just want it to line up okay. Okay, I did pop up my smile on some foam tape. I have my little butterfly, and I don't think I'm going to do too much more to this layout here. If I could find my scrappy tape here. I went ahead and took some washi tape and I punched it out that this was a gift from Jeannie because I did not have any red washi tape. I know, right? It's like, okay, probably need to go get some. No, I have plenty from Jeannie. And then there was just this little tiny strip that went under this photo here. I think I'm gonna tuck it because of course that's a little bit longer. And just kind of tuck that under there. Oh, my stars. Okay, that I wanted to tuck under. And this I wanted to just put there. And I'm not a big fan of how I look in these photos, but I don't get to spend very much time with my nieces. This is my niece and this is my niece. And I'm like, you know what, Donna, it's okay. Sometimes we all look a little funny in photos. And I want to just get that on there just a hair. And we did have a super great day. My older niece there, she wasn't able to come play with us because she had to work. But we did a fun run. It was a chalk run. So you have these different sections that you run through, and they, of course I can't get my glue undone now. And they throw chalk on you, so you are very messy at the end. But oh no, I just did that on the wrong side. All right, shh, nobody. It'll dry clear, right? Oh man, I hope that's not an indication of my day. It's a Monday for me, so go ahead and try to get that under there. There we go. I'll probably have to add a little bit more glue to that. All right, we got that down. I'm just gonna put a little bit of foam tape right here on this butterfly. Sorry guys, I had a huge coughing fit. And I am going to pop up Probably can't see my hands, but I'll just put that foam on there, bent my butterfly so that when I put my butterfly on, there is still some dimension under there. Let's get it glued down. So I think I followed the sketch pretty well. I'm gonna put that little stamp block on there. I'm gonna do my journaling down here in the corner. This was the morning of our fun run, and she had goats. My sister had some goats, Chewy and Levi. And she would take them for walks like the dog. And she had a bunch of people that would just stop and visit with her. She took her little goats for walks. It was so funny, so funny. So I have these, and I thought about using them for the color, but I just popped those in. I don't think I'm gonna use any of them. I think I'm just gonna stick with my enamel dots. I am going to go ahead and put, draw some little antennas on there. So I don't want to go above. And then I do want to draw your eye down to this section down here. Oh, just a sec. Let me get this put back before I have a giant mess. I love my fine line bottles, but boy, they can sure cause some problems. So I'm just going to do that. And then I'm just going to put some of these on here real quick. And then my smile, and I think that's going to be it. I'm just going to have my journaling. I don't think I'm going to do any speckly bits or anything like that. I think I'm just going to keep it super simple. I hope you guys have been playing along. I hope you enjoyed the sketch for this day, and I'd love to see what you've been doing. I hope you guys have an amazing day and you're out there making some memories. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.